Good day, everyone. I want to share something with you. This is why you don't top off your gas tank. Whenever you fill up your gas tank, don't keep topping it off. Keep squeezing till it full. Once you fill it up and it clicks, stop right there. If you keep squeezing and it keeps clicking, this is what's gonna happen. You hear that? That's not supposed to do that. Listen to yes, nothing. Okay, and then it breaks up the charcoal in here and it sends it in your line and clog up your line. Then you get error code. All right, and then these things are expensive. So those of you who believe in topping off a gas tank, stop doing it. See, nothing. You don't hear anything. Yeah, this is not supposed to do that. All right. Okay, hope you learned something today.